So I apologize, but I've got all this on the left hand. I don't know how to take this down. Personally, I really don't know how to take this down. Um, I think I clicked the wrong button, but let's walk through this morning. All right, guys. So we got what do we notice? Let's go to the 4 hour, right? Since yesterday, of course, right? We got the higher highs, lower lows, major lower high confirm. I don't know why I didn't trade extra yesterday. It's kind of foolish. I was done yesterday morning right at 6 a.m. Boom. As you can see in the last video, took all my profits here. But then even by 10 a.m., boom, another wick fill. And then what do we got? Lower high, right for Asian Open. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Boom. What do we got? Major wick range. Hold the swing from just 2 o'clock yesterday all the way till now. 60-something pips per position. Stack 10 pips on there. Do the math. A lot of pips. Anyways, so we can see that, of course, all the way through Asian Open in 4 hours. And then what do we add? We had a small pullback here for this was in the Nikki session, and then we had a pullback. And then Nikki dropped, and then what? Right before London Open is in here. So what do we have? We had a drop, pullback, right? So when I'm sleeping between 2 and 4 a.m., 2 and 6 a.m., what happened? Another little pullback here. Boom, tanks again. And then what do we got? We got so much bearish momentum here. Price broke through the support. Here's my support I drew up in the morning. I drew the support, and if you scroll back, I mean, we don't, we don't really have a good area off the 4 hour to really get like a nice idea. So if there's nowhere in between, you got to go to the even higher time frame. Let's go to the daily. Kind of drew this out too big, but really, realistically, that's that was my profit target. My profit target was here. What do we have daily? Since yesterday had the daily wick fill once 2 a.m. open, right? Boom, it's just been dropping. So this morning my profit target was this. This was my profit target, was the bottom of this candle, right? As we can see, what did it do? Came right to it. Higher time frames never lie, right? So we got, what do we got early in the morning? We got a higher high. Right, because see how price like broke past here? So now maybe we're going to go up, but the higher time frame says no. Then we got a lower low. Now, what do we got? 2 on confirm. Perfect. Guess what time it is? Look at the bottom of the screen. 5:45. You see that? See that? Check this out. Guess what time this is? Same time every day, guys. Oops. Oops. Same time every day. Same routine. Picking candy from the baby. Here's your 6 a.m. Right here. All my sales are stacked in here. Check my Instagram. You see my Instagram. Instagram is at the underscore wolf underscore of underscore FX. Just go ahead and look me up. You can see where all my sell entries were. We had a perfect 2 on confirm. Price broke past the support, right? Now the support turned to resistance. So what happened? Here's your pullback. I woke up in this candle. Here's your pullback. Hits the resistance. What does it do? Makes a lower high. Where's it going? Let's look at profit targets. Let's look at profit targets. As I always instruct most of my students and myself, shoot for 10 pips. If you can comfortably get 10 pips, that's good. A day, if you can comfortably just get 10 pips a day, open up 10 entries. It's 100 pips a day. It just gradually grows and grows and grows and grows, right? So initially, look, there's your 10 pip profit target right there, right? I just wrote my stop loss and profits though. But what did it do? It came all the way and it actually tapped my zone. And I closed most of my entries. Most of my entries were closed right here. And then we had the pullback. My stop losses were ran in profit, like right around here. It gets up pretty close to it, doesn't touch it. Continues momentum, continues momentum. I close out the rest of my entries around here. So as you can see, between 15 to 20 pips, 10 to 20 pips per position. I didn't stack up too much. My 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 broker was it kept lagging. So as I was putting sells up here, you can see on my Instagram it like froze, and then it was like ding ding ding, and started putting it up here, and I just didn't want to put more in. I was like, okay, well, I like to get my entries off these confirms the best. I don't like to really keep entering them below. So if I don't get enough in time, I should have just been stacking up here right in this time. I had plenty of time to just stack up before this even opened, but it's not a big deal. Took home nice profits. Took home tons of pips. So that's what we're looking for, guys. We're just looking for those quick pips. We're looking for those profit targets. As we can see, the 4-hour time frame. Where else would it go? I mean, it broke support. If it breaks support, why is it going to come up? It broke support here. It broke support and then already tapped the zone. Where's your next zone? Your next zone is your profit target. See, on the 4-hour, you can't really see where your profit's at. Well, I don't know where my profit's at, Kyle. Okay, we'll scroll out some more. Wow, you got to really scroll out. Okay, so let's go to the daily so we can get a nice, clean, good idea. We look left. What do we got? Okay, here's our area. This is our next area. This is where price is going. This is where price is going. Price touches it a few times, right? It's probably touched it a grip over the years. As you can see, you can just keep drawing this across. It's a perfect. I mean, look at this, guys. I like it like that. Still, it's just perfect zone. It just keeps touching this area respectively over and over. Look, even further, all the way back in on two. This is February. This is February 2017. The third. Just always touches this zone. You can see how powerful the higher time frame is. So my zone was here, right? It moved. That was my profit target. Came, hit my profit target. If you want to scalp to swing, hold your stop loss and profits. Just let it ride. That's why I like stacking multiple entries, because when I stack multiple entries, I already take home my profit. And then if I put stop losses in profit, right, you just leave a couple runners, however many you want, and you can see if you can end up swinging it. So by just writing stop loss and profit. Another thing to notice this morning is the currency meter. All morning, Jappy was super strong. Jappy was super strong, and U.S. dollar was still weak all morning. So it's already telling you, okay, well, UJ is going down too, and the higher time frames already confirmed. Excuse me, my nose is a little runny. Higher time frames already confirmed that we're going down. So you just follow momentum, guys. Don't counter trend trade. Oh shoot, I got 1% on this. Well, I might as well just close it early. Thanks, guys.